Hey guys, Domino's here, and this is the all-new backup fast USB 3.0 portable drive from Seagate. Now, judging from the look though, I believe the name should be off by one letter. Take a look here. This is the old backup drive from Seagate. It's not exactly very slim, but it's quite thin. And the new drive right here, take a look. There you go, you got it. It's not slim at all. In fact, it's very fat. Easily the fattest portable drive you've ever seen on the market. And that's because it's fat for a good reason. On the inside here, there's not one, but two internal hard drives stacking on top of each other. They are combined into one single volume in a RAID 0 configuration. And that means two things. Number one, you got the most storage space. Now, this is the very first portable drive that offers you 4 terabyte, the kind of capacity you only see in much larger drive like this one right here. And the second thing is very fast. In my testing, it offered the sustained real-world copy speed of some 230 megabytes per second. That's by far the fastest I've ever seen, about double the speed of others. Now, despite the fact there's two drives on the inside, this is still bus power, meaning it doesn't require a separate power adapter. It does come with two cables though. Now the first one here is the standard USB 3.0 cable right here that go with the standard USB 3.0 port right here of the drive. The second cable is a Y-shaped cable, just in case you need to use two USB ports from a computer to draw enough juice to power the drive. The drive also comes preloaded with Seagate dashboard backup software that works pretty well in my trial, and that also allows you to back up social media content, your mobile device, and also backup to the cloud. Now, the drive here is pre-formatted for Windows, but it comes with software driver that allows your Mac to also read and write to it. And that means you don't have to reformat it to make it work with both platforms. So what's the catch? There's one. Well, because of RAID 0, the drive here generally has higher risk of data loss. That's because if one of the drives on the inside fail, it will lose data on both. For that reason, it's a backup drive because you use it to host the backup copy of your data and not the single copy of the data. Remember that. Now, judging from the speed though, you might also want to use this one here to host hard data such as movies or photos that you are working on. But in that case, make sure you back them up immediately to another drive when you are done. Now, Seagate is quite sure about the drive's quality and backs it up with a 3-year warranty. That's quite decent, but not as sure as a 5-year. All things considered, this drive here is totally worth the street price of just $270. It is the fastest and also the highest capacity portable drive on the market you can find for now, really. Now, for more on the new drive here, check out my full reviews here.com. Basically, it's a piece of hardware that brings excitement when you show something like, "Ooh, your drive is so fat and cute. I love it." And no, that's not what she said. You heard that from me first. And that means that is the truth. And that's because, of course, I'm Dong Ngo, and this has been the first look at the backup fast portable drive from Seagate.